We'll see the grammar part first. If you see here, because is there, it means we don't have to decode everything. We can, start with subordinate. The noise is your subject, okay? Actually is your ly adverb. Then concentrate is your object. So what we need here, subject is here, object is here. We need verb with s. Why? Because the noise is your singular subject. So whenever we have singular subject, next verb should be verb with s. So you can stop something, verb with s, aids, verb with s, prevents, verb with s. They all are verb with s, no? So it means we have to read through and we need to see, if what is making more sense. Then here, so is there. Just a second, I'll decode everything so that it should make sense. Here, however, is extra information here. The one general rule is your first subject. For is connecting the second subject. Second subject, all students. So first subject is singular, that is why is there. That is your subordinate conjunction. The television subject seems is verb with s. Next to V1, object is more. Of another object is a distraction. Then another object is music or other background noise. So the TV off. So dash the TV off when you are. So it's a kind of phrase. Okay, it's just a phrasal verb. Off is there, no? For off we have to check. Just check if put off making sense, make off, cut off, leave off. So we need to understand what they're saying because they all are verb and this is a phrasal verb like take away, go away. It's like so same way we have to find. Then here again yet, does, also, however. These words we will only get to know if they're adding any information, then we have to write also. If they're contrasting however or yet. And if they are concluding, it's thus or hence. So we need to understand what they are saying. So here they are saying, some students say that they need complete quiet to read and study. So some students say they need complete quiet to read and study. Others study best in crowded. Okay, so some students want quiet place to study and read. Others study best in a crowded, noisy room. Because the noise actually dash them concentrate. See, noise, they are doing best in crowd. Okay, so noise will only help them. It will never, stop them from concentrate. So prevent and stop is ruled out. If it is distracting them, then we can say, but others study best in crowded is there. Noisy room, other best in a crowded, noisy room because the noise actually aids them or helps them. Meaning of aids and helps both same. But you have to go with helps because aids, when to use aids, financial aids, some kind of aids, whenever it is more of an academic term, where you have to write this government is providing financial aids to people, something like that. In that situation, but whenever it's generic situation, day-to-day life, you have to use more general word. More, so help will make more sense. Then some students like quiet music playing, others do not. The point is, you should know the level of noise that is optimal for your own studying. However, one general rule for all students is that the television seems to be more of a distraction than music or other background noise. So, best the TV off when you're reading or studying. So, television seems to be more of a distraction than music or other background noise. So, you can put off TV. Put off is when you're postponing something, you have no interest in something, then you can say put off. So put off is not making sense. You cannot put off TV. You cannot cut off TV, no? You cannot make off TV. You can only leave off. Leave off is some similar to the, most people are not aware of this term. That is why they made mistake. It's like turn off or, don't use it. Keep it standby. Don't use it or turn it off. So leave the TV off. Must be the new term for you. Turn off is very common, but PT will trick you with new this kind of word, which is very tricky. So you need to remember, because this is a repeated one. So you need to remember the meaning of leave off. Leave the TV off when you are reading or studying. Dash, don't let yourself become distracted by computer games, emails, or internet surfing. Thus, no. Here it's nothing related with television or background noise or something like that. They are just adding some information. So in addition, or also, don't let yourself become distracted by computer games, email, internet surfing. Yeah, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Others? Okay. Okay, Manisha. Okay.